was made because I realized I have like 180 viewers back to back on both of my recent videos. That's kind of a huge accomplishment for me, despite having a video with like 1K views. I just want to say thanks for the amount of views I've been getting on all my videos. Sure, it may not be much to a lot of people, but to me, it's a lot. And I didn't really make a video intending it to get so many views. But really, thank you. Thank you so much. I don't really know what to say. I kind of just went into this blind. I saw that my recent video had 180 views, and I kind of just freaked out, pulled open metal, and figured I'd just record. There's nothing new in Darkaver or Contempt, though I might check Contempt just to make sure, because the Contempt updated recently, and I never actually bothered to check Contempt. Deep Woken Layer 3 is real. Of course, this is the new Layer 3 update. I guess just subscribe if you're watching this, because subscribing just helps the channel. It helps make just everything better about the channel. Now again, you don't have to subscribe. You don't get any benefits from it. I'm just saying that I do. I would appreciate it, but like, it's your choice at the end of the day, you know. Now, just because I was getting to Deep Woken a little bit, Stupid and Valk is quitting Deep Woken. Very, very big impact on Deep Woken content creation. And I can feel it too, because I haven't been very motivated to play Deep Woken. I guess just comment down below what you want to see on the channel. Like, you want to see games that aren't Roblox, you want to see Rogue Lineage, I can do Rogue. I can do pretty much anything that doesn't cost money on Steam. So, I guess just say what you want, I guess. I have nothing else to say here. Have a good night, day, whatever time you're watching the video. Just have a good day, and see you.